What's up? Welcome to my makeup tutorial. I'm starting off by putting aside my hair and then going in with my favorite cushion foundation. This one applies really nicely with a minimal coverage, but it does the job. Next, I'm just going to run a little brush through my brows to make sure that they're nice and clean looking. And then I like to laminate them with the edge of my brush. After that, I'm ignoring my pimples because when I put more makeup on them, they look worse. And then I apply my concealer in this pattern and blend it out with a brush. Pretty simple so far. And then I go in with my favorite blush. This is from e.l.f. This texture is so velvety and it feels really good. Then my favorite Matchstix. I've never been able to find a contour that suits my skin tone this well. Way to go, Rihanna. Then just finishing up the nose contour here with that concealer. Then I love this eyeliner because I can do this. I can just apply it in a nice little triangle, just like that. And then I can lift it up with my finger, just smudge it out. It does take a bit of cleanup, but it's worth it. Then this is my favorite highlight. Ignore that. I just go in with a little brush and build it up as I go until it's nice and luminous. And then some mascara. Woo, little magic trick. Got the lashes on. Alright. After my favorite gloss, the look is done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other ones and maybe even give me a little subscribe. Bye.